Hey guys, this is how to delete pages from PDF file without Acrobat. So first thing that you will do is simply go to this website. I love pdf.com/remove-pages. I will link it in the description. And now from here, just simply click on select PDF file. And after that, you can just simply select it into your computer. So I'm going to select my PDF file over here and click on open. And after that, as you can see, this is my PDF file. It has 6 pages, and just simply select the page that you want to remove. Let's say I'm going to remove the 3 and 4. And as you can see, you should be able to see here, remove pages. And after that, you should be able to remove it. And you can just simply click on download PDF over here and just simply select a location. So let's say I'm gonna save it over here and click on save. And after that, once we open the file, as you can see from the original, it has 6 pages, and right now it only has 4 pages. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.